pretty smooth right now. The flow's moving pretty good. Find one lane and stick in that lane. Cutting lanes back and forth just adds frustration. It makes everyone angry. Everyone's tired. It's rush hour. They're hungry. They're thirsty. So if you drive really crazy, you're just going to make people angry. Don't do that. I'm lifting my foot because I see traffic putting on brake lights. I'm at about 67 miles an hour. You should be predictable. When I drive with my students, I look for predictability. I'm reading brake lights to the left, so I don't want to get in that lane. Most people want to get on the freeway and just get where they're going. Some people, it's a race, R-A-C-E. Those are the people usually get involved in an accident. We're just chilling at about 60 miles an hour. We're not going 70, we're not going 55, we're about 60. Traffic is moving, and I feel good about that. I'm kind of drifting to the right a little bit because I'm looking at the right line. See the line, but don't look at it. Looking around the curve, I see some traffic starting to slow down, so I'm lifting my foot. Beginners just look at what the car's doing. More experienced drivers, and I'm hoping you get from me, I'm looking at the driving environment. What is the environment doing? There are cars merging on. There's a burgundy Mustang over there. The traffic speed is starting to pick up. Then I see brake lights, so I'm lifting my foot. I see cars tailgating now. See that car cutting over? They're gonna set us up for failure. It's a young driver. I'm gonna back off. So these clues that I'm giving you will keep you safe. So I'm keeping my space. I could get over to the left lane and drive super fast, but it's not really worth it to be a couple car lengths ahead. And you see cars cutting over. I'm right at about the speed limit. I see a lot of brake lights. It is very dense traffic, but we are moving. I lifted my foot. I let the truck come over, being courteous. No blinker.